the final of 2015 Cowbellpedia. 12 students standing. Who gets to wear the crown? Nigeria's math champion. It's all within the next 60 minutes.
Great to have you guys. Nigeria, this is it. 9 prelims, 3 semifinals, over 34,000 participants across the nation. And it all boils down to this moment, this stage, this time, this here, this now. It's the finals, the first of Cowbellpedia. And we are here to find out who will be carrying the crown, the ultimate bragging right of Cowbellpedia Future Inventor 2015 in the junior and senior category. Now we have 12 candidates who've made it this far, and we're so proud to have them here. In addition to that, we have something special as well. Not just because the final is a special occasion, but because we also have some special guests in the studio. These special guests have come from far and near, but most importantly, they've helped directly and indirectly to bring to life the dream that was Cowbellpedia to your TV screens all across the nation. I am Oscar, your quiz master. I am thrilled to be here at the finals of Cowbellpedia.
Thank you. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you to the finals and prize presentation ceremony of the novel and innovative Cowbellpedia TV quiz show. The Cowbellpedia TV quiz show is designed to reward and celebrate excellence in the subject area of mathematics. I'm optimistic about the future of Nigeria, judging by the performance of these 108 students that qualified for the TV quiz show. It is my hope we all nurture these rare gems to reach their full potential in their role of nation building. Thank you very much, and good luck for the final.
Today we are here in Cowbellpedia, seeing mathematics as fun. Nigeria wants to be a great nation in the committee of technology-driven countries. But we know we can't achieve that if science and technology is not taken seriously. And we are happy, the council is happy, that today we are seeing this happening, having these students both at the lower and senior secondary level showcasing themselves in this area of mathematics. The council is proud of Cowbell, our milk. The council is also proud that this group, known as Cowbellpedia, is giving hope to the Nigerian education system that all is not lost. On behalf of my registrar, Professor Abu Rashid Galba, and entire council, I wish the contestants the best in this competition, and may the best of the best win. Thank you.
It's very impressive and quite innovative to see this kind of event being organized. And I want to thank Cowbell and all the partners that you're working together with to bring this event to this level. Thank you again. We appreciate the effort you are putting, the resources that you are investing. It is not in vain. It's going to bring a lot of fruits to this country. UNICEF is a long-standing partner on education sector in this country, and we are proud to be associated with this event. Allow me to congratulate you again and conclude with one powerful statement from the late Nelson Mandela. And he said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." Thank you again for your attention.
For decades, mathematics has been the bedrock of the world's greatest innovations. We believe that we too can set indelible footprints in the sands of technology if we invest in our children and in their future, knowing fully well that from amongst them can come the next best innovators. Tomorrow's Einstein, Maria Mayers, Ayodele Awojobi, Philip Emeagwali. Yes, we have a dream that our children can be great. Since 2001, Cowbell has been on the front line promoting mathematics as a means to empowering young people and nourishing their dreams, harnessing their potential, irrespective of their background or ethnicity. Yes, we believe in our children, in their greatness, in what they can be. Reach for the stars with nourishing Cowbell.
Welcome back from that milk break. And of course, it's still the final of Cowbellpedia, where we have 6 young contestants from the junior category who are ready to battle it out for the ultimate crown, the title, the bragging right of Cowbellpedia Future Inventor 2015 junior category. Who are these children? Let's kick off with our first finalist in the junior category.
He's very serious about his study, very obedient, he's very hardworking.
When he was in primary 5, he represented the country at Olympia Mathematics in India.
My most memorable moment was the week I spent in India when I went for International Mathematics and Science Olympiad.
They gathered them together, so they picked the best.
Before we went for the first round of the competition, our teacher in school, she always prepares us. Early in the morning, she would gather us together, teach us algebra and some other mathematics topics.
It was described that the program is going to be in 3-fold. I marveled that how will it be possible for somebody to use 5 seconds to work mathematics.
But when she had it was quiz, she contributed much in working on my speed.
We have emerged as a state champions for many years. The record will show that at the national level too, we came third at the junior category. That was about 4 years ago. And here presently, we are moving on.
When they finally qualified, we were also very happy.
Evans, how do you feel?
A little bit relaxed.
I'll see you in the final.
We are expecting and I'm hopeful that the boy is going to come with the gold medal.
Looking at his pedigree, I expect him to come first in the country.
How are you doing, Evans? Great to have you. How do you feel being here at the final?
I'm excited and happy.
And I hear you didn't come alone. Who came with you?
My mom.
Hello, Mommy. A round of applause for Mom. Let's meet our next contestant.
Adding and subtracting numbers and fractions just became my thing.
He's been a wonderful son. It was obvious that God created him in a unique way.
Every teacher that taught him, even before me, they have good things to say.
My experience at the studios and the quiz shirts has been nice.
At every point when he scaled to the next stage, he called, and every time we heard that news, it was awesome.
My hobbies would be playing games, then playing soccer myself. I've heard a lot of stories about Abdul Muiz. I am a bit scared of him, even though I think I can still beat him in the competition.
Having come this close to the end of the competition, and we do hope that he wins the competition.
In mathematics, they say probabilities, the chance of a particular event happening, which is the number of required events divided by the number of total possible events. So my chance of winning is equal to everyone else's chances of winning, 1/6.
Hi, Omide. Great to have you at the finals. And you are here with who?
My dad and my mom.
In future, I would like to become a lecturer teaching mathematics.
Mr. Bangbaje Oluwatobi started training them about 2 years ago.
We are actually prepared, to be sincere, for the students, the teachers.
If I don't solve mathematics, I'll prefer reading or drawing.
He's the quiet type. Cowbellpedia show gave her another experience that you have to speak out.
Àjọkẹ́ máa wà nínú ẹni tó ṣàṣeyege ńbẹ̀ o.
Àjọkẹ́, can you please take a step back? I'll see you in the final.
Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Cowbell.
This is just the beginning until she become the winner of the competition. To Masido, they should just keep it up so that they will produce champions of tomorrow.
And Àjọkẹ́, I know your mother must be here. Is she here? Congratulations for being here, Àjọkẹ́.
I would love to become an engineer in the future. I would prefer going to one of those Ivy League schools abroad.
She's always busy. She can do any extra mile to tip her brother, but please come and assist.
It's not done by only one teacher. It's a teamwork. So everybody work collectively to prepare Olabisi Bello.
In mathematics unit of my school, Nassau High School, I've been grooming a few of us for the competition.
We train them to stand out and be different in their generation in order to make difference.
This award given to me on Press Day by Mrs. Ambimbola Fashola.
We've had two of our siblings pass through that.
The first one came out of our set as the best student. The son came out as the best student.
And here is BC again, going all the way.
Contrary to the belief that people think I always read all the time, but the truth is I actually don't. It's really shocking that I actually made it this far. I would say it was the day I was called as first in Lagos State. And also, right now I'm in the finals.
It then becomes so overwhelming for us.
I cannot do anything more than just try my best, practice more, work more.
Something tells me he's going to take one of those 3 prizes.
She's going to get the best in the final.
Olabisi, great to have you. And who is here with you?
My mom.
Hello, Mommy. Olabisi, wish you all the best in the final.
The name of my school is Nigerian Turkish International College, Abuja.
Abdulmuin's part mathematics is part due to, that's when God just gives someone talent.
I started having interest in maths when I was in primary 2.
Look at the question, look at the answer. Instantly, almost like a flashlight of a thunder. Within seconds, get the answer.
If A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 3, then BC over AB is equals to
3.
Correct. If Y squared is equals to 16, 4. Correct.
When you qualify for the final round for the family, it was a prayer answered by God.
Maths is not that hard. You just need to know the basics. You need to know the formula.
In the next 5 years, by the special grace of God, I hope to see him at the top.
I want to become a medical doctor because I want to help others.
From primary school, he is very good in chess and table tennis. I am happy to inform you that Abdulmuiz wrote a book which is with me now, The Disobedient Child.
Not only do we have a mathematician, but we also have an author. Who's here with you, Abdulmuiz?
My mom.
Mommy? That's fantastic.
Mathematics to me is like something that I enjoy doing almost every time.
One, Mr. Joe, who discovered him and started grooming him in mathematics.
In primary 6, waiting to enter secondary school, he was able to solve general mathematics of somebody in SS1.
My role model has been my primary school teacher. The way he solved mathematics with so much ease made me confident and more serious.
That boy is a mathematician.
Every end of term, he will come back with different types of gifts.
We have to subject them to rigorous mathematics tests. Munachi was able to prove himself worthy.
For every continuous assessment test, there's always a reward for the best in math.
The most memorable moments in my life have been when I won the Nigerian Turkish International Competition in primary 6, and also when I made it to the final of Cowbellpedia.
Munachi, Congratulations to you. I will see you in the finals.
We jumped up and thank God.
That was a moment of happiness for me.
Well, Munachi, wish you all the best. Who's here with you?
My dad.
Where is Daddy? Thank you for being here, sir. Now, 6 contestants, junior category. Individually, you have all excelled, not just because you're here, but in your homes, in school, you've shown that you are the best of the best of the best. But the question is, who is the best of the best today on this stage? I do wish all of you the best. Are you all ready to play Cowbellpedia?
Yes, Quizmaster.
Let's move on to round 1. 12 questions, 5 seconds, starting now. If R denotes the cost of a bag of rice is not more than 9,500, write this statement in symbolic form. A, R is less than or equal to 9,500, R is greater than or equal to 9,500, R is greater than 9,500, and R is less than 9,500 naira. We're off to a great start. Only one incorrect answer, and that is from Evans, but not to worry. Still have 11 more questions to go. The correct answer is A, R is less than or equal to 9,500 naira. Question number 2. Factorize 6 minus 6y plus by minus b. A, 6 minus b, 1 minus y, 6 plus b, 1 minus y, 6 minus b, 1 plus y, and 6 plus b, 1 plus y. The correct answer is A, 6 minus b, 1 minus y. We had 3 correct and 3 incorrect. Given that 0.2y plus 2.4 is equals to y, find the value of y. A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4. The correct answer is C. That's number 3. Abdulmuiz, you knew the answer?
Yes, sir.
What happened? You didn't put it in time?
Yes, sir.
Please be very careful. Every score counts. Let's move on to question number 4. The sum of 2 numbers is 13. Their difference is 5. What is the smaller number? A, 7, B, 3, C, 2, D, 4. The correct answer is D, which is 4. Every person got it right except Evans and Ajoke. Solve 7 plus 3x divided by 2 minus 5x divided by 3 is equals to 0. Option A, 15, B, 21, C, minus 15, and D, minus 21. Only 2 people got the correct answer. Correct answer is B, 21. Congratulations to Evans and Ajoke for getting that right. Question 6. Which of the following describes all the others? A, octagon, B, pentagon, C, quadrilateral, and D, polygon. The correct answer is D, polygon, and we only had 1 incorrect. That's Ajoke. All others got it right. Question number 7. Simplify 1 3 over 5 divided by 2 2 over 3. A, 2 1 over 5, B, 2 over 5, C, 3 over 5, and D, 4 over 5. The cash prize is 750,000 naira with a trip to Gambia. Ayomide, what will you do with your money if you win?
We'll cross that bridge when we get to it.
You go. Okay, that's a very long bridge. Let's move on to question number 8. 3 boys shared certain amount at 12.5%, 20%, and X respectively. Find X. A, 0.575, 0.625, 0.675, and D, 0.725. I've not seen this in a very long time, where everybody got the correct answer. Congratulations, the correct answer is C, 0.675. Let's move on to question number 9. You guys are doing very well, and of course the competition is getting tougher, as it should be, at the final stage. If a jar of milk costs 70 naira, what is the maximum number of jars one can buy with 1,000 naira? A, 12, B, 14, C, 13, D, 15. The correct answer is B. Moving on to question number 10. Find the sum of the square of 7 and the product of 17 and 3. A, 100, B, 69, C, 101, and D, 140. For the second time in a row at this stage, you all got the right answer, A, 100. Question number 11. Okay, you guys, come on, smile. Come on, smile. Give the person next to you a high five. Don't worry, hold on to your pens. Let's move on to question 11. Pictorial representation of data is done in the following forms except A, bar chart, B, telegram, C, histogram, and D, pie chart. All correct. Correct answer is B, telegram. Do I smell a tie break somewhere? Let's find out from the next question. Question number 12. Find the value of 4 raised to the power 2 plus 2 raised to the power 3 minus 8, all raised to the power 2. A, 300, B, 154, C, 256, and D, 35. Everybody got it right. Fantastic way to end round 1. Let's find out the final scores. And these are quite high scores considering. But let's see who will be staying and who will be moving on to the next round. Munachi, Ajoke, and Ayomide. What this basically means is that since you started this competition, you have always moved on to the next round. Congratulations to 3 of you. Evans, Abdulmuiz, and Olabisi. This is the first time that you are losing, actually. And it's a fantastic place, if there's such a word, a platform to bow out, because you've done very well. Over 34,000 applicants, over 108 of you started this journey 12 weeks ago, and you guys made it this far. You are truly our young inventors, and we're very proud of you. Thank you to all of you for participating, and of course to your parents and your guardians who came here. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. 55 points, Munachi, 50 points, Ajoke, and Ayomide, 50 points. So it's quite close. It could be anybody's game. Don't forget, this is the 60 seconds of fame. I'm going to ask you as many questions as possible, and you're going to give me as many answers in 60 seconds as possible. Ajoke, I wish you all the best. Are you ready for your 60 seconds of fame?
Yes, Quizmaster.
Ajoke Taiwo, your 60 seconds starts now. If x squared plus 18 is equal to 27, what is the positive? Correct. If 12 is added to 3 times a certain number, the result is 24. 4. Correct. Simplify. 3c minus d divided by 3 is equal to minus... John thinks of a number. 15 is added to the number and it gives 35. What number is he thinking
20.
of? Correct. Find the product of x plus 2...
x squared minus x minus 6.
Correct. Simplify 3 plus 2b divided by 1... When 40 is divided by a product of k and 2, the result is 5.
4.
Find k. Correct. Simplify 18x cubed, y raised to the power 4, z raised to the power 3.
2x, y squared, z squared.
Correct. Simplify j plus t divided by 4 minus j minus t divided by... If p is subtracted from 3, the result is less than 5. Find the range of the values of p.
P is greater than minus 2.
Correct. If a is equal to 2 plus x and 4a plus 3 is 15, find x.
2.
Incorrect. Given that 5 bracket 2y minus 4 is equals to 7 bracket 2y minus 5 plus 3, find y.
Skip.
Very good round, okay? Ayomide.
Yes, Quizmaster.
You ready for your 60 seconds of fame?
Yes, I am.
Ayomide Fadikwe, I wish you all the best. Your 60 seconds starts now. Find the product of x plus 3.
X squared minus 9.
Correct. Simplify b minus 3 over 8. 50% discount was given on the purchase of 5 bags of cement costing 25,000 naira. What is the cost of a bag without discount?
10,000 naira.
Correct. If a certain number k is added to 5, the result is greater than 7.
K is greater than 2.
Correct. Solve the equation a minus 3 divided by 2 minus a over 3 is equal to 0.
Skip.
Simplify 40s divided by 14s raised to the power 2 times 7s divided by 2t. The sum of a certain number and 15 is 18. Correct. Solve the equation 1 is equal to 4 over 3x minus 1 over x. If A varies inversely to B such that when A is 2, B is 6, find A when B is equals to 12.
1.
Correct. Expand 2 plus 3A, 2 plus A.
Skip.
Solve the equation 2 over R is equals to 1 over R plus 1.
Skip.
Given that Y varies directly as X, when X is 3, Y is 6, calculate Y when X is 5. Correct. Well done, Ayomide. Ajoke, well done to you too. Munachi, you're last but not the least. Munachi Ernest Eze, are you ready for your 60 seconds of fame?
Yes, Quizmaster.
I wish you all the best. Your 60 seconds starts now. How many triangles are there in a decagon?
Skip.
What is the name given to the shape of a beverage tin?
Cylinder.
Correct. A straight line joining 2 points on the circumference of a circle is called
diameter.
Incorrect. Find the volume of a cylinder of height 2 centimeters and base radius 7 centimeters.
Skip.
How many sides does a kite have?
4.
Correct. A straight line drawn from the center of the circumference
radius.
Correct. A training workshop started by 9:12 a.m. and ended at 1:40 p.m. What is the total time spent?
4 hours, 28 minutes.
Correct. 5 workers cleared a piece of land in 6 days. How long will it take 3 workers working?
10.
Correct. Kunle and Femi are to share 25 grapes in the ratio of 24 to 16. What is Kunle's share?
15.
Correct. If a school of 500 pupils, if the school are 15%, how many girls are in the school?
Skip.
Express 40 naira as a percentage
25%.
of 1. Correct. Find the reciprocal of 0.0. Ladies and gentlemen, we only have one winner in the junior category. And like I said earlier on, and I keep saying this, and you'll probably keep hearing this for the rest of your lives, you are the future inventors, and we're very proud of you. In third place, with 80 points, Ayomide Fadipe. In second place, with 85 points, is Ajoke. So Munachi, how do you feel you did?
Very happy this time.
You were fast enough. You were good enough. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. Munachi Ernest Eze, you are officially the champion, Cowbellpedia Future Inventor 2015.
Cowbell Choco formula has been stolen. Get it back at all costs. Tasting new Cowbell Choco gives you the get up and go to be at the top of your game. Now with Vitality Plus Iron. New great tasting Cowbell Choco, a creamy chocolatey drink that helps give energy to get up and go.
Let's meet our final 6 contestants in the senior category who have made it this far. Let's take a quick look at Miriam behind the scenes.
My student, Sunday Miriam Adeshope, had been a very good student, fast learner, and humble with her knowledge, particularly for maths.
She will work when she's really challenged, until that last minute.
She's very playful and can be naughty at times, but she's my best sibling.
If you're asking Miriam to do something and she say no, I'll do it, just tell Mori dear.
She is very, very strict.
Miriam's parents, the dad, the mom, super role models, I'm telling you.
Credit goes to their father. That's my husband.
Because most of the time, I am with them on the table, reading with them, studying with them, putting them through.
It was a collective effort.
They've complemented the school efforts in bringing out the best in their children.
By the time the quizmaster was calling the result, I thought I was the one that would be disqualified.
When they were asking questions, skip.
Just so happy to know that I was actually the second person that qualified for the final.
You can't come to this level by your own might alone. God has to be on your side.
Now that we are there, the expectation is so high.
Whoever that makes it, I will celebrate with that person, because none of those people that participated in this second round, they couldn't have been dullards.
Miriam, are you here alone?
No.
Who else is here with you?
My mom and dad.
Hello, mommy and daddy. Good to have you back, Miriam.
No, I ain't good enough, but it still loves me.
During my leisure, I play the piano. I also play games.
And he plays with numbers a lot, and that is very amazing for me. I have an aptitude for maths as well, but not as much as him. And I think it's also genetics, because my mother does have an aptitude for maths.
This is a boy I've known for about 5 years now, and right from the day one we met for his interview, it's always been about calculations.
It's my passion. I feel it's what I'm meant to do.
There was a time he told me that the school is not helping him. That's how we changed his school to where there was competition. And when he came to meet his teacher, Mr. George, whoa.
I will sincerely say that he's the best of my student I've ever taught.
I love to study chemical engineering in University of Ibadan. I intend to invent new clean energy sources, probably that will make the nuclear reactor look like a AAA battery.
And I'm happy that he has come up to this point today, which is about the height of mathematics in Nigeria.
So I'm hoping to come first.
I remember when he was in primary too, the father had a dream that he went to a competition and he won, and the federal government took over his education.
When I lost my dad 2 years ago, it was really heartbreaking. But thank God for seeing me through it.
I can imagine his face on the billboards in the 36 states of the Federation.
Joshua, you've done incredibly well, and let's find out if your father's dream will come true on Cowbellpedia. I'm sure he's extremely proud of you. Who else is here with you?
My brother.
Where is he? Okay. You've done very well getting this far. I wish you all the best. Kamaldeen, well done. You made it to the final.
And I remember the day before, we went to watch a movie. So I was like, Kamal, hey, this math, won't you go through some things and just brush through? I said, Mommy, I don't understand. I said, I always tell them that, okay, I went to night school. I don't understand.
Mommy was just screaming, not really screaming, but just jumping and giggling.
I was very happy. I was really humbled that day.
My dad's an engineer, and he was the one that actually sparked my interest in math.
Meanwhile, before then, what Kamal used to tell me was he wanted to be a footballer.
When he was in the junior secondary school, he went for a competition. I think it was mental mathematics then.
Some were from secondary school, and Kamal won. He came first.
Apart from mathematics and further math, I also realized that chemistry, I have a real interest in it.
Since he got to SS, he said chemistry, chemical engineering. I said, this chemical engineering, are you sure? I said, that's what he wanted. I said, that's fine.
Kamal has been a great inspiration to me for passing his grades all the time. I want to be like him.
He's very good. He's very good in mathematics. So I'm not surprised that he's doing well right now.
Well, I pray he wins.
Kamaldeen, have you given up your dream of being a professional footballer?
Kind of, yes.
Kind of, yes. Well, mathematics is doing very well on you. Who else is here with you?
My mom.
I was actually looking forward to seeing your junior sister, but it's okay. I'm sure she's watching now. Welcome back, Amaldeen.
The name of my school is Demonstration Secondary School, Ondo.
Akekwawa Yodeji is a child that is very, very obedient to us.
At the time, the boy wanted to be withdrawn from the school.
The management, they have played a vital role financially, educationally, because the success of today, so they too, they play a vital role.
I discovered Ayodeji.
He has been training him right from the onset.
Apart from coaching him in the school here, I gave him that opportunity that he should be coming to my coaching center.
The interest to know that he's the senior boy of the school, going by his performance.
I know that it's the handwork of God, not my handwork.
He has agape love to everybody.
I relate to my friends very well. Most times they come to me to work mathematics. I usually explain to them. And sometimes I pray for my friends that God's do to help them too.
Whatever he's doing, he's a small boy, but he knows God. I thank God for his life.
And sometimes I love to play football.
They call him professor. When food is ready, you come and eat your food. No, let me finish. I'm almost through.
Last time we had our prize giving, single-handedly received about 6 prizes. That is to say that he is good academically.
If we give him the best, this guy will go places.
I would like to be an engineer, and to be specific, I would like a nautical engineer.
Professor Ayodeji, I couldn't help but notice the pile of books you were reading. It looked like you've been reading them for like 20 years. Who else is here with you?
My mom.
Hello, Mommy. All right, all the best. Let's meet our next contestant.
Inibe is very bright. It didn't just start now, right from when he was a baby.
Mathematics is like a hobby to me. I don't really take it as a subject.
He's an all-rounder. 3-4 years ago, he wrote some short stories, like a novel. He has developed a software, game software, which they use.
There was once during the break, advertisement break, and I was like, who wants to be a millionaire? I was looking at him. He didn't answer me. So I nudged him, don't you want to be a millionaire? He said, me, I can never be a millionaire. My heart sank. He said, I will be very rich. He wasn't even up to 4 years old. He said, I will be a trillionaire. I jumped and started screaming. I was jumping, amen, amen, amen.
And Inibe has also been able to affect the siblings. Anyanime, the second son that is following him, this year also represented Akwa Ibom State in the National Mathematics Competition at Abuja.
Inibe as our champion, as our ambassador, as our representative, and given the fact that the teacher is continually solidly behind him, our expectation in the finals of this year's championship will come to top threat.
The person that I think I dread the most is Joshua Mofut. But I'm not scared. Besides, even my friends.
Joshua is your friend. So, is it trillionaire? And you are just 4 years old. I wonder what your account balance is now. So who's here with you?
My dad.
Where's Daddy? Great to have you back, Inibe. And last but not the least.
My hobbies are playing games, watching films, drawing, playing the keyboard.
Titi is a special breed, a special person, then those permit me to say that.
Mathematics is like, okay, it's a subject, but it's related to life. We use it every day. It is something that also has mysteries behind it.
Our love for mathematics was something that we didn't really discover very early. As a matter of fact, when she was younger, we thought she was going to be an artist.
Sometimes I see myself in her. I feel she's taking the path I once took.
Titi is far more intelligent than I am. We have tried to find out and to compete on other things, but I've seen that
She has a very high IQ.
I like to invent something.
There was a professor who came from Sweden and said, this girl, mathematics is her future. She thinks like a mathematician. Apparently there's a way mathematicians think.
Like, because every time I read all these science books, it's always father of. They're always men. Why can't it not be a woman, mother or something?
She's been talking about studying engineering.
Specifically an aeronautic engineer, aerospace.
And as a girl child, to excel in it. I'm someone that loves motivating women, and of course, a girl child.
She's also a writer, a speaker, editor, trainer.
And I believe that what a man can do, a woman can do even much better because of, where women tend to be more patient.
And God helping us, we will do all we can to make sure she realizes that.
Titilayo, great to have you back. Who is here with you?
My mother.
Mommy? I lost count. She says motivational speaker, author. Mommy is very busy, but Titilayo, it's good to have you back. Wish you all the best. And that goes for each and every one of you.
For decades, mathematics has been the bedrock of the world's greatest innovations. We believe that we too can set indelible footprints in the sands of technology if we invest in our children and in their future, knowing fully well that from amongst them can come the next best innovators. Tomorrow's Einstein, Maria Mayers, Ayodele Awojobi, Philip Emeagwali. Yes, we have a dream that our children can be great. Since 2001, Cowbell has been on the front line promoting mathematics as a means to empowering young people and nourishing their dreams, harnessing their potential, irrespective of their background or ethnicity. Yes, we believe in our children, in their greatness, in what they can be. Reach for the stars with nourishing Cowbell. Cowbell, I wanna look.
Let's commence round 1. 12 questions starting now. If 4 log 2x is equals to log 81 base 2, what is x? A, 4, B, 9, C, 3, D, 2. Miriam, what was your answer?
3.
3. It's correct. Unfortunately, you didn't push in the answer in time. Question number 2. Solve for x in 8x raised to the power minus 2 is equal to 2 over 25. A, 4, B, 6, C, 10, D, 8. Correct answer is C. None of you got it incorrect. Well done. A number is multiplied by itself. The product is 1 7 over 9. Find the number. A, 1 1 over 3, B, 1 2 over 3, C, 2 1 over 3, and D, 2 2 over 3. Second time in a row. Correct answer is 1 1 over 3. Well done. It is observed that 1 plus 3 is equals to 2 raised to the power 2, 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equals to 3 raised to the power 2, and 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equals to p raised to the power 2. Find P. A, 4, B, 3, C, 5, and D, 6. Third time in a row. Correct answer is A, 4, and you all got it right. Question number 5. Well done, guys. A cuboid has a length 3 centimeters, width of 2 centimeters, and height 1 centimeter. What is the surface area? A, 20 centimeters square, B, 33, C, 22, and D, 35 centimeters square. The correct answer is C, 22 centimeters square. Points X and Y are respectively 16 meters north and 12 meters east of point Z. Calculate X, Y. A, 12 meters, B, 20 meters, C, 16 meters, and D, 28 meters. Well done to all of you. Correct answer is B, 20 meters. You all got it right. Which of the following averages will a trader use in a survey to know which items to buy in larger quantity? A, mode, B, mean, C, median, D, range. The correct answer is A, mode. We had one incorrect input. Which of the following is equal to 72 over 125? A, 2 raised to the power 4 times 3 raised to the power 2 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. B, 2 raised to the power 3 times 3 raised to the power 2 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 5 times 3 raised to the power 2 divided by 5. And 2 raised to the power 4 times 3 divided by 5 raised to the power 5. The correct answer is B, 2 raised to the power 3 times 3 raised to the power 2 over 5 raised to the power 3. You all got it right. Let's move on to question number 9. Find the number of grams in 5 over 8 of 2 kilograms. A, 1,250, B, 250, C, 750, and D, 1,150 grams. The correct answer is A. You all got it right. Which of the following is a Pythagorean triple? 9, 10, 11, 10, 12, 13, 10, 11, 14, and D, 9, 12, 15. Now, at this stage, guys, I would like to say that showing off is permissible, and all of you are showing off. Well done to all of you. 9, 12, 15. Let's move on to question 11. Find the minimum value of theta greater than 0 for which sine theta is equals to minus 1 over 2. A, 210 degrees, B, 150 degrees, C, 300 degrees, and D, 330 degrees. Correct answer is A, 210 degrees. Okay, it's a very close competition right now. Question number 12. Which of the following points will the graph y is equals to sine x raised to the power 0 plus 1 pass through? A, 0, 0, B, 91, 92, and D, 91, 1. The correct answer is C, 92, and Miriam and Kamaldeen did not get it right. But all said and done, a round of applause. That was a very great round. Let's find out the scoreboard. We do have a tie, but not enough to push us into a tie break. Joshua, Ayodeji, and Titilayo, 60, 60, 60. Well done to 3 of you. And of course to Kamaldeen, Miriam, and Inibehe. Your train stops here, but only for this competition. Thank you very much for being here. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for them. Titilayo, your chances have now increased to 1 over 3 in terms of being the first female to pick up that grand prize. Ayodeji, Joshua, well done to both of you. This is 60 seconds of fame. You're all on 60 points. Joshua, Mokut, are you ready?
Yes, Quizmaster.
Wish you all the best. Your 60 seconds starts now. Evaluate 3x plus 2y minus 4 if x is 1 and y is 3.
5.
Correct. Solve 4 minus x over 2 plus x is greater than 3.
Skip.
If car factory produces 600 cars in 5 days, how many cars will it produce in 7.5 days?
Skip.
Solve the equation 2x squared minus 32 is 0.
X equals to 4 minus 4.
Correct. Find the gradient of the line joining the points P, 5 and 3, and Q, 7 and 10.
7 over 2.
Correct. If x is subtracted from a number 9, the result is less than 2. What is the value of x?
X is greater than 7.
Correct. Simplify 9x raised to the power 3, bracket 2x raised to the power 4.
9 over 2xy.
Incorrect. Find the gradient of the line passing through the points A, 16 and 2, and B, 24 and 9.
Minus 7 over 8.
Incorrect. Solve the simultaneous equations 2x plus y is equals to 7, x minus y is equals to 2.
X equals to 3 and y equals to 1.
Correct. If the formula y is equals to h raised to the power 2 plus 40, all divided by square root of z, find h if z is 4 and y is 70.
Skip.
How do you feel you fared in that round?
I did good.
You did good? Ayodeji, are you ready for your 60 seconds of fame?
Yes, Quizmaster.
I wish you all the best, Ayodeji. Your 60 seconds starts now. If the perimeter and area of a square are equal, what is the minimum length of the sides of the square?
4.
Correct. If y varies directly as x, for y is equals to 10 and x is 5, find the value of the constant.
2.
Correct. Solve the inequality 8x minus 4 is less than or equal to 10x minus 12.
S greater or equal to 4.
Correct. Calculate the volume of a cone if the radius is 3 centimeters and the height is 7 centimeters.
66.
Correct. Y varies directly as t when y is 16 and t is 4. Find the value of constant k.
4.
Correct. If y squared minus 3 divided by x is 4, make y the subject of the formula.
Square root of 4x plus 3.
Correct. What is the length of the diagonal of a rectangular field with the length 99 meters and width 20 meters?
Skip.
Find the area of a triangle of height 10 centimeters and base length 6 centimeters.
30.
Correct. Calculate the area of a triangle of base 18 centimeters.
90.
Correct. If the diameter and height of a right circular cone are 12 and 8 centimeters respectively, find the slant height.
10.
Correct. It's quite intense. Ayodeji, well done on that round. How do you think you did?
I thank God, sir.
Well said. Titilayo, are you ready?
Yes, quiz master.
Your 60 seconds of fame starts now. A cyclist on a circular path. Find the radius of a circle with area 36 pi centimeters square.
6.
Correct. What is the area of a circle of radius 7 centimeters?
154.
Correct. Simplify 11 over 2 plus 5 over 6.
11 over 12.
Incorrect. Find the circumference of a circle with a diameter 21 centimeters. Take pi to be 22 over 7.
66.
Correct. Find the volume of a cone 12 centimeters high with the base radius 4 centimeters in terms of pi.
194.
Incorrect. The fourth term of a geometric progression is 24 and the first term is 3. Find the common ratio.
2.
Correct. Express in degree 7 pi raised to the power c divided by 9.
140.
Correct. Find the curved surface area of a cone whose base radius is 7 centimeters and slant height is 8. Take pi to be 22 over 7. I need your answer.
Skip.
Well done to 3 of you. We do have a tie between Joshua and Titilayo. You're both tied at 85 points, which means you now have 30 seconds of fame. And don't forget that whatever you score in the tie break will not be added to your final score. Joshua, wish you all the best. Are you ready for your 30 seconds?
Yes, Quiz Master.
I wish you all the best. Your 30 seconds starts now. A man is 5 times as old as his son. The difference between their ages is 40 years. Find the age of the father.
Skip.
Evaluate x squared plus x minus 2 divided by 2x squared plus x minus 3. What is x is equals to minus 1?
Minus 1 over 2.
Incorrect. Find the value of x if x raised to the power 0, 50 raised to the power 0, and 210 raised to the power 0.
100.
Correct. What numbers must be added to 4x squared minus 12x?
9.
Correct. If b alpha 1 all over root a and a is 16 when b is 2, find
8.
the value. Correct. Titilayo, all the best. Your 30 seconds starts now. Find the gradient of the curve y is equal to 2x squared minus 4 at the point minus 3 minus 1.
Minus 12.
Correct. Simplify 2 minus 18m squared divided by 1 plus 3m.
2 into 1 minus 3m.
Correct. Find the derivative of y is equal to 2x.
2.
Correct. If the gradient of a straight line is 1 over 2 and the y-intercept is 1 over 3, the equation of the line is?
6y equals 3x plus 2.
Correct. The difference between the squares of 2 consecutive numbers is 11. Find the numbers.
Oh.
At the end of this final round, the senior category, third place with 85 points is Joshua Mokut. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause. Our keyboardist, very talented mathematician, Titilayo, you're also on 85 points. But you're at second place, and Joshua is at third place, which means with the highest score, Ayodeji, with 105 points. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to Ayodeji. Your parents obviously are elated. Ladies and gentlemen, after 13 long weeks, for the very first time in season 1, we do have our winner in the junior and senior category who will be crowned or who have been crowned the Cowbellpedia Future Inventor 2015. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Munachi and Ayodeji. It has indeed been extreme fun right here on Cowbellpedia. It has been incredible, and I can't but wait to season 2. And we have something in store for you. I am Oscar, your quiz master. It has been an honor. And don't forget that maths is fun on Cowbellpedia. Have a wonderful time and see you in season 2.